Welcome to our English class. From last video we starting the lesson number 3.3 stone soup. The name of our lesson number 3.3 is stone soup. In this lesson the story takes place in a village. A few small cottages standing close by. They belong to Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai, Rupabai. These are farmers. It's evening, they are chatting outside Motiram's house. Here you see pictures, here Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai and Rupabai. We complete some points. When strange travelers come in the village. Traveler, yes, just a pot of water, only a big one. Here student, on page number 60, we completed some points. Traveler, yes, just a pot of water, only a big one. Here student, Rupabai goes back to her cottage. Traveler collects wood and makes a fire in one corner. Other neighbors peep out from their door windows and watch quietly but curiously. Rupabai comes out with a very big pot. Here student, strange traveler also come in a village. Strange traveler also come in a village. Traveler, yes, just a pot of water. Traveler demanded just pot of water. Rupabai said, here's your pot of water. Rupabai comes with a pot of water. Traveler said, thank you. Now just wait and watch. Puts the pot on the fire. Takes out a stone from his pocket and drops in a pot. He was a very gentleman. Traveler is a gentleman. He puts a pot on a fire. Takes out a stone from his pocket and drops in the pot. Then Rupabai, a magic stone that makes soup. He was very surprising. She was very surprising and said, a magic stone that makes a soup? I can't hardly believe this. Sits down to watch. Here student, strange traveler make a fire. And Rupabai sits down to watch. Traveler said, sniffing and pretending to enjoy the aroma. Ah, lovely. It's going to be really delicious to Rupabai. To see Rupabai, traveler said that, ah, lovely. It's going to be really delicious. If only we had 1 or 2 potatoes to add. If only we had 1 or 2 potatoes to add. It tastes heavenly with potatoes, but alas, we don't have any. Then Rupabai also said, 1 or 2, you said. Let me see if I have just 1 or 2 left. Rupabai is a very kind lady, but sometimes she also very angry. Here, 1 or 2, you said. Let me see if I have just 1 or 2 left somewhere. Brings a few peeled potatoes. Here, luckily, I had just a few left. I have been peeled them for you. Traveler, wonderful. Puts the potato in the pot, stir some time and snip again. Here, student, traveler make a fire and put the pot on the fire. Then some water and put the potatoes in the pot. Stir up sometimes and snip again. What with the potatoes you have given? The soup will now be terrific. Snips, carrots and tomatoes will give it tempting color. Wouldn't they? But that would be much to hope for. You know, student, when soup is very delicious, we add in the soup carrot, tomatoes, potatoes. Then it's very tasty. Rupabai said, I don't know. Sonabai comes with some tomatoes. Here Sonabai also come with bring some tomatoes. Hello, maybe I can be of some help. Maybe I can be some help. I had reserved these tomatoes for tomorrow, but I am always willing to help. You know, and I know that Hirabai has plenty of carrots, but I am not sure if I will share few with us. Here Sonabai also come with some tomatoes. Then Hirabai enters with few carrots. Always another lady, Hirabai, also enters with few carrots. I don't have plenty. In fact, I also was reserving this for tomorrow. But never mind it, Sonabai can spare her tomatoes. I too can spare these. After all, you don't get to see a magic stone making a magic soup every day. Dear student, a strange traveler is also a gentleman who tried to make a soup with the help of only stone, but he collects many things, potatoes, tomato, carrots in this way.